Hey language learners! We are now in part 4 of our Easy English Listening Test. The video is divided into 4 clear sections, each with specific instructions to guide you. Grab a pen and paper to jot down any key points as you listen. Before we start, can we ask for a quick favor? Click the subscribe button, give us a like, and share our content. It only takes a second, but goes a long way in helping us produce quality content. A huge thank you to those who've already joined our community. If you're ready, let's go!
Listening Part 1. Listen to the dialogues and match the names with the characters in the video.
1.
Where's James?
He's playing basketball over there.
Is he the boy in the green shirt?
Yes, he is.
Okay, I see him.
2.
So who's the boy in the red shirt?
The boy who's playing basketball, or the boy who's kicking a ball.
The boy who's playing basketball.
That's Jack.
Jack.
That's right.
3.
And where is James's sister?
James's sister? Oh, you mean June.
That's right, June. Is she the girl who's playing badminton?
No, she's running.
Is she wearing pink leggings?
Yes, she is.
4.
Who's running in front of June?
The woman or the man?
The man. He's running so fast.
His name's Tim. He's Emma's brother.
I see.
5.
Where is Emma?
She's here. She's playing badminton.
Is she the girl in the blue dress?
That's right. That's Emma.
6.
And who's playing with Emma?
The lady in the brown t-shirt?
Yes, is that Sarah?
No, it's Kim. Sarah isn't here today.
Oh, so Kim likes badminton too.
Yes, she does.
Listening Part 2.
Listen and fill in the answers. 1.
Hello, Peter. Tell me about your brother, please.
Okay, what can I tell you?
Well, what's his name?
It's Steve.
S-T-E-V-E?
Yes, S-T-E-V-E.
2.
How old is Steve?
He's 18 now.
Oh, 18.
3.
Is Steve at school?
No, he works now. He works in a supermarket.
4.
Does he work at the weekend?
No, he doesn't work on Saturdays, Sundays, or Mondays.
Oh, he only works 4 days a week.
Yes.
5.
What does he like doing at the weekend?
He always goes to swim.
Does he take you with him?
Sometimes.
6.
So he likes swimming. What else does he play?
He likes watching basketball, but he doesn't play. He plays soccer every Monday.
Listening Part 3.
Listen and match the days to the activity pictures. 1.
Hello, Rose. Did you have a good holiday last week?
Yes, thanks. It was great.
What did you do?
Well, on Saturday we went to Paris. We saw the Eiffel Tower.
2.
What did you do on Friday?
We went to the cinema, I think.
Did you?
Yes, that's right. It rained that day.
Was it a good film?
Yes, it was a documentary about the Eiffel Tower.
3.
Did you learn French cooking in Paris?
Yes, my mom and I had fun a lot.
Which day was that?
Tuesday, I think. That's right, Tuesday.
4.
And we went to have the best food in Paris.
Was that on Sunday? It was very sunny that day.
No, it was on Monday.
Oh, did you enjoy it?
Yes, my mom and I loved it very much. It was so tasty.
5.
And did you go to the Louvre Museum too?
Yes, on Wednesday. It was so interesting.
Wow.
My mom loved arts.
Did you see Mona Lisa painting?
No, I couldn't see all the artworks.
6.
And where did you go on Thursday?
On Thursday, it rained and rained, so we stayed only in the hotel.
What did you do then?
I watched TV.
What did you see?
It was about Mona Lisa painting.
Oh.
Listening Part 4. Listen and answer the questions. 1.
What did you do yesterday, Paul?
I played table tennis.
Do you like table tennis more than boxing?
Yes, I do. I don't like boxing. Do you like it?
No, badminton's best.
2.
Did you have a good lunch, June?
Yes, it was okay.
What did you have?
I had some pasta.
Only pasta.
No, I had grapes after pasta.
Oh, I had some sandwiches and a donut.
3.
Where do you live, Tom?
I live next to the park and a shop.
A toy shop.
No, a bookshop.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
4.
Was it your birthday last week, John?
Yes, it was.
Did you get any presents?
Yes, I did. I got a new watch from my grandmother, a wallet and a jacket.
Did your parents give you the wallet?
No, they gave me the jacket.
And who gave you the wallet?
My grandfather.
5.
Are you going to town, Maya?
Yes, I am.
Are you going to supermarket?
No, I'm going to hotel.
The ABC Hotel.
No, the Park Hotel. I have a job interview there.
Oh, best of luck.
Thanks.
6.
I got a new pet yesterday.
Another cat?
No, my dad didn't want another cat.
So, what did you get?
I wanted a turtle, but the shop didn't have any.
So, what did you get?
A goldfish.
'Awesome job on part 4 of our Easy English Listening Test. Want to keep boosting your English listening skills? Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more cool lessons, and share the learning vibes with your buddies. And you know the deal. Keep practicing, and you'll keep rocking it. See you in the next English adventure.